Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into Inspire mortgage accounts online. Inspire Home Loans, also known as Inspire Mortgage, is a mortgage lender based in California, USA. They provide various mortgage products and services to customers across the country. To access and manage your home loans or mortgage, open up a preferred web browser of your choice. Now in the URL box type in myloan.inspirehomeloans.com and press enter on your keyboard to end up in the login area for Inspire Home Loans. If you've not registered for an account yet, you will need to first register by clicking the register button and following through the instructions. If you have an existing account and you'd like to log into it, simply enter your email address and your password in the respective text boxes. If you don't remember your password during the process, get help by clicking on Forgot Your Password and follow through the instructions till the end. After filling in your information in the text boxes, click on Sign In, and this will be able to help you sign in to Inspire Mortgage account quick and easy. So that's how you can easily sign in to Inspire Mortgage. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.